Hi, I'm Emma. Welcome to my 5-minute daily practice for tight hips and tight quads. We're going to start this week by activating the hamstrings and stabilizing the knees. So let's get onto our mats in downward dog. So in your downward dog this week, I want you to slightly turn your heels out and come up on your toes. So really press the palms of the hands down. Take a deep inhale, and as you exhale, draw the heels down towards the mat. You don't want the heels on the mat. If they touch, then just take a step back, because you want to activate those leg muscles, particularly the hamstrings. Drop the head, soften the shoulders, and take 3 breaths. When you've taken those 3 breaths, take your right leg and bring it forward all the way between your hands. Come up on the fingertips for your low lunge. So for this low lunge, we want no weight on our hands. We want all the work to be going on in the legs. Back of the leg is straight, front knee is directly over the ankle. And just lightly touch fingertips on the mat, looking forward. Take a couple more breaths. We're going to power up into a high lunge. So because there's no weight in your hands, you can simply draw the shoulders back, keeping that back leg straight and keeping your front knee over the ankle. So when you've got that alignment correct, shoot the arms up, powering up through the fingertips. And take those deep breaths. On an exhale, bring the hands down, step back for your downward dog. Remember to draw the heels slightly outward, not too much, but just so the backs of the legs, the calves and the hamstrings are really working hard. And then draw the left foot all the way between the hands. Find those fingertips, light touch on the mat, keep the back leg straight. Looking forward, you can slightly draw the back heel away from you to even further engage back leg muscles. And when you're ready, powering up, drawing the shoulders back, back leg is straight. Don't be tempted to bend that back knee. That does something different, and we're working on the back leg muscles today. So reaching the arms up, making sure your front knee is over the ankle. And then exhale, bring it down, back to downward dog. Turn those heels out and take 3 breaths. We're going to look towards the hands. So as you inhale, bend the knees, and as you exhale, jump outside your hands and to the edges of the mat. So for our squat, we want to draw the weight into the back of your body. If you find squats difficult, just grab something. It could be a couple of cushions, a couple of books to place under your heels so that you can get used to drawing your body weight into the back. Elbows into the knees, palms together, 3 breaths. Find your drishti point and really press down through the feet, the toes, the balls of the feet and the heels. So we're going to push up on the next inhale into a tree pose, coming up onto your right leg and bringing your left foot wherever it comes naturally to your left leg. Drawing the knee out to the side, really important in our tree pose. And then draw the arms up and over your head. Find your drishti and breathe. On your next exhale, come down to the squat. And on your next inhale, come up to tree on the left leg, bringing your arms up and over your head. I'm getting up close and personal with my bay tree, which gives me a lovely scent as I inhale. Be sure to bring the knee out to the side and lengthen up through the upper body. Exhaling, coming back to your mountain pose, hands together, feet together. Take a deep breath in, deep exhale. So remember to practice every day to really start to see the difference in your body. Next week we'll be doing a different routine, still working on opening the hips and the quads. We're going to be looking at hip mobility. Thank you for joining me today. See you next week. Namaste.